channel, and today's vlog guys, let's cook guys fish. A fish. This one is salmon and the other one is not salmon. It's salmon's cousin. The difference is the color, very dark and light. This one is from Hokkaido. I think Japanese salmon if I'm not wrong. But this one is 100% salmon guys. Okay, I use also the mushroom, oyster mushroom, or they call here iringi. So keep watching guys if how I prepare this. First is let's slice the fish. Salmon is very expensive, that's why I buy another kind of fish. It's the same fish but it's different in taste. Okay, this one is salmon guys, as I've said, this one is 100% salmon. Okay, let's slice the fish on our own desired size. You can slice more huge or you can slice more tiny, what we call this, smaller than this. It's up to you if how you prepare your fish. This one is very simple. Let's use butter and what we call this, soy sauce for the taste. Keep watching guys until end, and please do subscribe and kindly share my simple homemade recipe. So as I've said, this is a very different guys. The color of this fish are different. This one is salmon, the dark color orange, and the other one is light. This one is product from Hokkaido, and this one is product of Chile, salmon Chile country guys, Chile. Okay, Chile not pepper but country. Then after slicing the fish, oh my god, it's broke. Let's season with okay. After slicing the fish, seasoned with salt and black pepper guys. Actually salmon alone is the best, but the salmon, as I've said, is very expensive. That's why I use another kind of fish that is quite affordable, that is the same color of salmon but not salmon. Okay, seasoned with, include the skin guys, because the skin is have nutrients also and it can be eaten, no problem about the skin of the fish. Okay, seasoned with salt and black pepper to taste. Then set aside for a while. Next, let's slice the oyster mushroom, small size. It's different from the size that I always used. This one is another supermarket, different size but the same oyster mushroom. Okay, one bite size. And on the pan, let's put an olive oil or cooking oil as you desire. Then let's fry the fish coated with all-purpose flour. Put the part that has skin. Coated only with all-purpose flour is okay, but you can coat another all-purpose flour mixed with cornstarch. It's better for crispiness. But we did not make this fish crispy guys, just only cook, no need to make crispy, because this kind of fish is very sensitive and very soft. No need to make it crispy. That's why you don't need to use a lot of cooking oil. So guys, the fish is already cooked. Let's take off in the pan. Set aside first before we mix it into our mushroom, so that the fish will preserve, not to be broke, and the taste would be preserved. That's the purpose, guys, why we need to fry first and take off the pan. Then let's add onion. And let's add the butter. Butter, guys. Butter and soy sauce is the only seasoning of this. Recipe. Soy sauce, butter. Then let's add now the oyster mushroom. And let's add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And after the mushroom is already cooked and check the taste is perfect, let's now add the fish that we fry earlier. Okay. Then a little bit of a time to mix it. So let's make sure that the sauce would be even better. Siguraduhin mo na magkalasang isda, kaya haluin mo lang siya ng konti. And let's add an spring onion on this. You can also add paprika if you have. If the person who eat that recipe is that eat paprika, you can put paprika. But my kids don't like paprika, that's why I did not put any paprika on this. Pet, you know. Hirap mag-English. It's hard to talk English, speak English. Trying hard. Okay, guys. It's better than take out. Quite expensive. The fish is almost 9,000 yen. That's only a price of fish. The fish here is more expensive than meat. So yan, guys, the recipe of salmon and oyster mushroom is done. So until here, guys, thanks for watching. For those who are watching until the end, thank you very much, and please do comment and like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Bye.